Welcome back. I'll keep up your practice. Gonna start out with the set with the 4-2-2-4. Okay. 6, 5, 1. It does what it's supposed to design. It's supposed to hit the 6 and 8. 10, 4, 6. A little too much energy in one of the dice there. Tells me my grips are off. Always pay attention to your grip. 3, 2, 1. Twelve, 6, 6. Oops. Okay, that is an implosion. Told me I was putting too much pressure on the thumb on the release. So 9, 6, 3. Okay, one of the 6 popped out with implosion. That's telling me that my thumb wasn't 50-50. So pay attention to my grip. There you go. 10, 6, 4, same thing. Too much pressure on one side of the dice. Don't forget to always read the table. 12, 6, 6. All right, still too much power. Still getting an implosion, so we gotta pay attention to our thumb. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, okay, so this is where the 7 usually pops out, around the 7, around 8, 9, 10, so you gotta pay attention. Okay. 10 again, 6, 4. Okay, our grip is still the same, so we need to adjust it. Nine, 5, 4. Okay, we're not all over the place. Still consistent with our numbers, but we're not hitting the 6 and 8 like we wanted. 10 again, 6, 4. It's a pretty good throw. The dice didn't bounce all over the place. There seems to be a lot of 6, 4. If you got the time, maybe we'll definitely hop the 6, 4 combination. 5, 4, 1. Okay, we're about 11 row already, close to our SOR. So far the dice table is agreeing with each other, so let's not change the set yet. Ooh, pretty close. 11, 6, 5. That dice wanted the 2 instead of it, but it flipped back to the 6. So when that happened, the dice is telling you something. The next row might be 11. Might be a 7, you might crapped out. So let's change that. We're gonna go with the 6454, just to wash the dice a little bit. 5.34, I mean 325. Same set, 6454. 8 the hard way, 4-4. Okay, we hit all tall. We just got 2 more numbers in the short. Ten, 6-4 again. Pretty good. It does what it's supposed to do, hit the outside number, so we're doing good. Five, 1-4. Sometimes when I practice, I hit those high SORs and I don't record it, nobody believe you. And sometimes when you record, you never hit those high numbers and you feel disappointed. All right, let's not push an SOR on that. We're gonna go with the 6-2-2-1 off center grip with a forward rotation. And that gives us 3, 1, 2. This usually gives you 3, 4, and 6. Okay, yeah, that flipped already. You know what I mean? Eight the hard way. 4-4. Okay, let's not push our luck. We're gonna go back to the 4-2-2-4. We watched it already. Hopefully that resets our count. Eight, 3-5. Seven out. Okay, didn't make any point. 5-2, 7 out. I think we hit 29 row or 19 rows. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Pretty good. Happy with that row, 19 row. So let's try to get consistent over 14 rows. So see you next time. Take care.